My final project for CS410 is called Project Soccer. For my project, I try to use the lie-based classifier to predict the soccer match results. First of all, I will need to get the tweets about the club before the matches. And as we will see, these tweets contain a lot of noise, and so I will need to pre-process these tweets. After pre-processing these tweets, I will need to train a lie-based classifier using this test data. In the end, I will use the test data to predict some results of the match. I will try to get the tweets about a certain soccer club between their last game and their next game. So this is an example about the tweets I got from Arsenal before one of their matches. I will get about 500 tweets for each match. As we can see, these tweets are very noisy and contains a lot of useless information, such as the URL and some stop words. So my first step will be to remove the URL, the stop words, and the name of the soccer clubs. These are the results of after the pre-processing. After that, I will split these tweets into word features, and I will use these word features to train my lie-based classifier. These are the most informative features I got from my training data, and as we can see in here, for example, if the word interview appears in the data, that means the club is more likely to lose this match. Also, for example, if doubts appears in the twist data, then the soccer club are also likely to lose these matches. However, if Warriors appears in the data, then this club is more likely to win this match. So in order to test my lie-based classifier, I used the tweets about Norwich before the match between Norwich and Manchester United. These are the sample tweets for the test data. And after pre-processing this data, I use these tweets as input for my lie-based classifier, and the result is negative. So that means my lie-based classifier predicts that Norwich will lose this match. And indeed, we know that Norwich was actually defeated by Manchester United. So for this example, my lie-based classifier predicts the correct result. However, the overall performance of my classifier is not very good. As we can see from this confusion matrix, my lie-based classifier is very good at predicting positive results. However, when predicting negative results, my lie-based classifier is very inaccurate. As we can see in here, my lie-based classifier will tend to label the negative result as positive. So 4 of the negative result was labeled positive by my lie-based classifier. I believe there were many things I can do to improve my lie-based classifier. First of all, I should get more tweets, because I believe that some of my results are biased because I don't have enough test data. Secondly, I should also include the non-test data to increase my accuracy. Also, I might need to just get the test data of a certain team, and then I will change my classifier to predict the result of a certain club For example, I can just build a classifier to predict the results of Manchester United, for example. At last, I might not only use the tweets as my source, but also use other sources to get the test data in order to increase the accuracy of my classifier.